What's up guys? In today's video I am going to change your life income forever. You will earn a lot of money from the website that I will show you in this video. You will earn $15 if you completed one offer and $75 if you completed 5 offers successfully. All you need is a mobile device or a laptop to start working in this website. So, stay tuned guys until the end of this video to know how to earn passive income from the website that I am going to show you now. Here is the website that I am going to talk about today. Which calls Capterra. Capterra is an online marketplace vendor serving as an intermediary between buyers and sellers within the software industry. The company assists customers select software for their needs. Capterra also provides an online channel for software vendors to reach its buyers. We will focus in this video on how to write reviews in this website and earn money from these reviews. But before we jump to show you how to write reviews, I am gonna show you now the money I received from Capterra website. I received mail from Capterra website into my Gmail account. They sent $30 to me for the 2 reviews I submitted on PayPal software. After I showed you the payment proof I received from this wonderful website. Now, I am gonna show you how to write reviews and earn money as I earned. So now, click on Write a Review. Here are some of the softwares that you can write reviews about them and earn money. And there are more and more softwares in this website. You can write a review about any software that you might experienced before. And now I am gonna show you how to write a review, and I am gonna choose the PayPal software to write a review about it. I am gonna show you right now how to write a review step by step. Write your real first name, last name, email address, job title, organization name and the industry. Select the company size and the period of time you have used this software. And also select how frequently do you use this software and what is your role in using this software. In step 3, you will need to write your review title and the pros and cons of the software you will write a review about it. And in the end you will click Submit Review. After you completed submitting your review, you will wait until your review is accepted by the website team. And after your review is accepted you will get a message from the website team in your email address telling you to redeem your gift card. In the end of this video, I wish the best to everyone to earn passive income online from Capterra website. See you in another video.